Supreme Court hits California right between the eyes with latest ruling. The United States Supreme Court has struck down a portion of a 2016 California law that required anti-abortion crisis pregnancy centers to provide information about abortion to expectant mothers. The law had required centers that are state-licensed to tell their clients about low-cost contraception, abortion, and prenatal care, and centers that had no license were required to post a sign on the door, stating that they were unlicensed. Pregnancy crisis centers brought a claim saying that they were being legally required to deliver a message that they did not agree with, and the court agreed. In the 5-4 ruling, Justice Clarence Thomas, as part of the majority in favor of striking down the law, said the centers are likely to succeed in their constitutional challenge to the portion of the law involving licensed centers. As it currently stands, licensed centers are still required to offer the above-mentioned information, but unlicensed centers are no longer required to post a sign, broadcasting that they are not state-licensed. It is still possible that the challengers can go back to court to fight for more of the law to be struck down, but the attorney representing the centers said that they did not expect to be able to do that soon. California cannot co-opt the licensed facilities to deliver its message for it, Thomas wrote for himself, Chief Justice John Roberts and Justices Anthony Kennedy, Samuel Alito and Neil Gorsuch. He also referred to the requirement as unjustified and unduly burdensome. However, Justice Stephen Breyer did not agree with the majority and argued that the law should be upheld in the same way that doctors are required to tell women seeking abortions about adoption services. After all, the law must be even-handed, Breyer said in a dissenting opinion joined by his liberal colleagues, Justices Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Sonia Sotomayor and Elena Kagan. Many pro-life Trump administration officials supported the ruling by the Supreme Court. In a statement on Tuesday, Attorney General Jeff Sessions said, speakers should not be forced by their government to promote a message with which they disagree, and pro-life pregnancy centers in California should not be forced to advertise abortion and undermine the very reason they exist.